Mom is happy.
Yeah.
Very happy. Ayun sila, busy si Mother mamili. Ayan, bili natin si Mother ng shopping si Mother ng washing machine. Ha?
She's happy with those two. Yeah?
Oo, very happy. Okay ka daw ba? Happy ka daw ba doon sa dalawa? Happy. We're waiting for Riona. She's coming with us.
Yeah, because the Benson's got the best.
Oh, we should really go to Benson for that. And then, but take them first in Robinson, and then we will go back there when we buy the telly.
Okay.
So guys, pupunta kami ng Robinson. Mag-grocery muna kami ng mga sabon, tapos kailangan namin. Tapos hatid namin sila Riona, tsaka mga pinsan niya. Dapat pag-drive kami ng pamangkin ko. Kaso hindi kami kakasya dahil maraming gustong sumama. At may mga bibiling kami, baka hindi kakasya. Kaya mag-jeep na lang kami. Ang init pa naman. Okay lang. Dapat nga mag-tricycle lang kami, kaso hindi naman kakasya yung hindi naman kakasya yung mga tawag dito ng mga bibili namin. Kaya yun, ito dadalhin ko. Nahiyak mag-vlog dito. Nahiyak mag-vlog dito sa mga Pero isa yan sa natin, sa ating memory, sa ating i-documentary natin ng ating holiday. I-documentary natin ng ating holiday. Isa yan sa magandang memories natin. So yun, at aalis na kami guys. Mag-jeep kami. We're going to ride on a jeepney. Ayan si Adrian. Lalagay na ng sunscreen. Show the SPF. This is our favorite SPF, guys.
Yeah.
Mosquito. Ay, ayan, meron na siya kagat ng sa paa. Nung nakaraan, dami din niyang kagat.
What?
May binili siya para dyan eh. I thought you bought something for the mosquito.
No, I never bought it.
I told you many times.
Yeah, well,
We need to buy the plug.
Yeah.
Oo, bibili kami para sa na yung paa niya. Nagsisimula ng kagat-kagatin siya, guys. May sugat na siya sa paa. Yan, bili tayo ng mga pang dyan sa niya. Sinasama niya yung mga pamangkin ko, nanay ko. Kalabas naman kami ng bahay. Kalabas naman kami ng bahay. So let's go. I'm sure they're ready now. What can you say? British girl. Ay, ito pala. Cute ng t-shirt ko, guys. Oh. Pakita ko pala sa inyo yung t-shirt ko. Oh. Ganda.
got any scissors?
Bigay sa akin ni Adrian.
Got any scissors in here?
Bye-bye muna. See you in the jeepney. Bibiling kasi kami, hindi kakasya yung gamit eh. Kaya nag-jeep kami. Life in the province. Buti ni Adrian. Riona, huwag mo siya napagastusin, ano? Ang bilhin mo ha, kasi sa atin lagi ka nililibre mo.
know, like, well, I can't.
Red view.
You should be going to unbox your...
Well, yeah, like, I don't know. I was just saying, like, they wouldn't do this at home.
I'd like to show the demo.
Yeah. Like, they don't even check that it works.
If it's doon nga naman sa iyo, kay pag bumili ka, hindi na napakikita sa iyo.
Which can get annoying, right? 'Cause sometimes you get home, it doesn't work.
Oo, so maganda nga naman yung ganyan. Iyaano sa iyo kung umuubra o gumagana nga naman.
Look, they've got like
Paano po ba
special.
yung installation dito, ma'am? Wall mount po ba or hindi lang?
He's
Wall mount.
It was alright. I thought everyone sounded really good. I thought that was the best thing about it. It was quite so bad,
yung mic ako kakagabi hindi maganda.
No,
Sabi niya, kala ko talaga, kala ko maganda nga eh.
Now we're gonna get a decent
Maganda lang ko yung kumanta.
Oh, how bad they are.
Yan, bali po meron pa po siyang ano dito, sir. Protective film po. Pwede niyo naman pong tanggalin at pwede naman pang-install. Kapag isi-set up niyo naman po siya, parang cellphone lang din po, wifi tsaka email address yun. Di ba kayo nagkaka-problem sa wifi doon sa baba?
Wala naman na. Malakas.
Binaba na ba yung wifi?
Nasa mama.
Moved it into the bedroom.
It's really good, isn't it? The Wi-Fi.
I have not really used it. The voice command, yeah.
Are you
It's
asking
kind of,
about Amang?
Yeah.
Amang the word not recognized.
Well, he's the only one who needs it, surely.
Sir, pwede po yan dyan.
Ayan, bili natin si mother ng ano. Shopping si mother ng washing machine.
Ay, ganyan, dryer natin ko.
Ay, dryer ba yan?
Hindi, washing.
Washing.
Pwede na to. Ano? Ito na. Magkano yun? Ayun lang. Ilang presyo.
Ayan nga.
Hindi, ba ito malaki to?
Ito yan, malaki to. Ito bilhin mo.
Ito nga. Sige, ito na lang. Ay, oo, laki. Yan, malaki. Akong dryer.
Tsaka itong ano.
Oo. Ate ko, yung dryer.
Ayaw ni mother na magkasama at sirain daw. Ayaw din niya ng ano, ng ganto. Natatakot sa kuryente. Ayun na lang, pagbalik natin. Tingnan mo natin sila kasi gahanap ng vacuum eh. Ako, ayun na pala.
Electric fan.
Oo, electric fan. Maghanap ko electric fan. Tsaka plancha.
Eh, mic pala, ano?
Oo, dito meron ba sila dito, Mike? Ha?
Yan, ganda ba yan? Parang namang ano na yan.
Magkano yan?
8,000.
Parang mas maganda to kaysa dito. Kasi ito masyadong magana, no?
Seryo, dumi. Tama ano yun. Ito, maganda.
Oo, mas ano to kasi nalalapat. Parang mas maganda pa to.
Maganda, init na rin.
Ayun, sindahan. Ano ginagawa nila na? Ano ginagawa nila? Kasi hindi gumagana yung ano. Nagtataka siya, sabi niya, bakit mainit naman pero bakit gumagamit pa kayo ng dryer? Sabi ko, ano, kasi pag sinampay mo basa, matagal pa rin matuyo. Tsaka makaalikabukan. So, you can laundry many times.
What about installation then?
I
Ben
don't
don't
need-
know how to install it.
I don't need no installation that one. You just plug in. She will not remember. Mom don't like this. She will not remember the thing. And it's, the cost of electricity. Ayoko din ng ganito na, sa totoo lang, ganyan yung, kahit yung gano'n namin, naano ako sa laba, iba yung ganyan, kahit ilang salang mo siya, malinis, saka ilang tubig mong palitan. Yung ganun kasi, yung tubig nun, naka-automatic eh. Ayokong masasayang na kuryente, gusto ko pa nga ganito eh.
Ako nga rin, yung sabi ko nanay.
Ha?
She's happy with those two.
Oo, very, very happy. Okay ka daw ba? Happy ka daw ba doon sa dalawa?
Happy.
Ayun sila, busy si mother mamili. Mom is happy.
Yeah.
Very happy. Ay babe, let's speak. Oh. Yung dalawa daw na yan, oo. Yung dalawa daw.
Good job we didn't wait another year, isn't it? I was just saying to Damon, like, what would happen?
Oo nga naman.
What did you want? Sorry, love?
And I will take the cheap
Cheap rice cooker.
Sabi ni Adrian, buti pala ikaw umuwi tayo. Paano ikaw ilang taon pa hindi umuwi? Hindi ka lang silang gamit. Hindi pala ikaw. Kung di pala ikaw tayo, tatuloy pala ikaw natin eh. Sira lahat ng gamit. Should sing na, what is it?
Huh?
What is his name? Ay, yung James ba yan ang pangalan nun?
I'm not going to sing.
Ayaw niya, nahihiya.
I'm sing.
Oh, akala ko kakanta. Why not?
It's embarrassing.
Testing. So we are buying mic, guys, kasi si Adrian for Adrian's singing lesson. Adrian's one of his hobby.
It's nice, huh? Really nice. What is that?
That's a sweet roast chicken.
Oh, very nice.
Tempo silog as well.
Very nice.
That's a lot of food.
So guys, napagod kami, namili kami, napagod kami. So Adrian, nag-order kami ng zero.
No sugar.
Oo, zero. What is that, babe?
Liempo silog.
Liempo silog. Nice. Protein. Ayan sila nanay, tsaka yung pamangkin ko. Istong, inutusan namin bumili ng Coke Zero. Ay, ala palang Coke Zero. Kain tayo.
pork to rice ratio is all wrong.
It's so big. It's so much.
Yeah.
So much rice. So, try namin kumain itong, ano to, tawag dito, halo-halo. Halo-halo, guys. So, yan. Enjoying eating.
It's nice.
Ang masarap daw. Nagustuhan niya, Em.
Sarap.
Masarap daw. Nagustuhan niya.
Do we have a Chooks in Robinson?
Meron daw bang ganito sa Robinson? Wala. Sa atin malapit, wala.
Walang dining. Puro ka lang makaka-take out ka lang ng ganito. Walang rice.
You can have a takeout, but no rice. We have Chooks in Paumbong.
Really?
Oh yeah, but no, just no rice. You can get a liempo, chicken barbecue. Okay, I'm continue eating now. I will continue eating now.
It's a bit strange though, isn't it? It's a bit like going to a KFC and they don't have any rice.
In the UK.
Yeah, like going to the UK and to the KFC and they've got no chips. They just don't sell chips.
Minsan na maaamoy mo agad eh.
Try ko nga yung ano yung stove. Ayan. Tagal na yung stove. Saan ba bumili? Nagustuhan ni Adrian ang liempo.
One of my favourites now.
Your favorite na. Thank you.
The first time I've ever had liempo silog as well. Thank you very much. Thanks, Ismail.
Thank you.
So you got a water?
Yeah.
I've got lime flavour. Surprised it's not calamansi.
Kasi may ano. Ayun. Boboling sila.
Nagbo-bowling si Riona guys. Kasama yung mga Riona
cheese.
Riona guys, kasama yung mga pinsan yung nagbo-bowling. Saan yun? Saan sila nagbo-bowling?
Robinson lang yun din.
Meron na ba doon sa Robinson?
Time zone. Parang 300 pesos yun.
Hanson yan?
300 pesos for 10 games.
Meron ako ng bowling in Robinson.
Saan budget nila?
Bowling?
2,000.
Really? They went bowling?
Yeah.
I didn't even know you could bowl it.
Is it a proper bowling? Yung hindi talagang pang ano lang, yung parang
Arcade.
Arcade!
Oh, okay.
Nalaglag na. Pag nagdaan yung ayaw nyo mo. Nagdaan. Ay, nalagyan ko ng baril.
Para din. Para din sa din.
Oh, yeah.
Inano kaya? Inayos kaya? Yun ang maganda na kaya.
Gusto ko talaga ng proper na bowling. Yun na lang sa
Kaya ko ito na.
SM.
SM no.
Marilaw yan.
You mean to? Yeah, ube ice cream.
I had the ice instead.
No, I want to give you ice cream. Masarap yung halo-halo na. Masarap na ube.
A bit afraid of the ice cream.
Ayun ako, yun kasi nga last time ba, kumain siya ng halo-halo. Naano siya sa ice. Nadali siya. Na-hospital ka nga kanina. Kaya, check out doctor.
I might refer to it as the poopy poopies. Not the hello hello.
What is it?
Poopy poopy.
Very easy. Very easy.
You told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know. Shout to me.